Hello, boys and girls, and happy Monday. Thank you for joining me for Word of the Day. Guess what? This is our last week of doing a new Word of the Day. So making sure you come every day so you could get it done this week because it's the last week you're going to do this in kindergarten. Making sure you have your paper and your pencil. I've got my name on my paper, and today's date is Monday, May 11th. So I'm going to write that as 5-11-20 because it's the year 2020. Okay, your word of the day today is the word wet. Write the word wet. Making sure you say all the sounds. Wet. If you need more time, pause the video. We're going to keep going. So the word is wet. Let's stretch it out. Ready? Wet. Say it fast. Wet. Good. Let's count it on our fingers. Here we go. Wet. Wet. Good. What's the first sound? What letter is that? W. Nice job, friends. What letter? It sounds like Emmanuel, letter E. Wet. Like Trenton, good, letter T. Wet. So you should have the word wet on your paper 2 times. The first one, it might not be spelled correct. That's okay. That's why we write it 2 times. And look, making sure your W and E, they stay in between the stairs and the floor. And letter T, it starts at the ceiling to the floor. We got to be writing our letters in the right spots. Okay, we wrote our word wet. Now we need to think of a word that rhymes with wet. Remember, rhyming words have the same middle and ending sound. So, wet, wet, jet, let. Good, so thinking of some rhyming words. I'm going to go with the word bed today. So I'm going to write my rhyming word. Make sure you get yours on there. Your rhyming word, it should have the same middle and ending as wet. Okay, my friends, we are going to do our sentence now. So listening close, ready? The dog is wet from the bath. This is our last week, so our sentences this week are going to be a little bit harder. Ready? Listen again. The dog is wet from the bath. Say it with me, ready? The dog is wet from the bath. Okay, count how many words. Okay, let's count it together. Ready? The dog is wet from the bath. 5 and 2 makes how many? 7. Good. Okay, when we start our sentence, do we start with a lowercase letter or a capital letter? Good. Our first word is the word the. How do we write the? It's a sight word. Good. T-H-E. Writing it with me. The. Remember, capital letter, and then the rest are lowercase. The dog. Make sure you have your spaceman. You know how to write dog. That's been our word of the day before, huh? The dog is. Is another sight word. How do we write it? I-S. Good. Read it with me. The dog is wet. I think I can fit it here, so I'm going to write it. But if you don't have room, go to the next line. Your word of the day, wet. Let's read the whole thing. The dog is wet from. Oh, let's say all the sounds. From. We're gonna have 4 sounds in this one. Ready? And then we're gonna write letter O. What's the last sound in from? Like Madeline, good. Letter M, from. Let's read the whole thing, ready? The dog is wet from the, we gotta write it again, you know how to write it, T-H-E. Let's read it. The dog is wet from the bath. Let's stretch it out, ready? Bath. I hear an H, brother, in there. Okay, let's write it as we say it, ready? Bath. What's the first sound? B, 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 like ball. B. Like Alexandra and Alex, huh? B. Okay, thank you. Which each brother says? Is it Charlie? Shane? Theo? Which one? Theo, good. Remember, Theo is T-H. Okay, let's read it. The dog is wet from the bath. What do I need at the end of my sentence? A period. Nice job, boys and girls. Making sure you read it to 2 people at your house today. It's our last week. We're going to do it big. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.